No, no.
Chàng 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 chấp chấp từng từng cô chàng 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 chăm chăm chàng 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 chấp chấp từng từng cô.
No, no.
Chàng 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 chấp chấp từng từng cô chàng 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 chăm chăm chàng 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 chấp chấp từng từng cô.
Hey Kylo, can I tell you something? You know how we have this quarantine? And we've been working from home? Well, I have some bad news. We have to go back. I know. Eventually. I don't know when, but eventually.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh no!
No, no.
Potatoes, small 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 potatoes on the moon, small potatoes in the sea, small potatoes take a bath, small.
Here's the
bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries. So, you know, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
Chang 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 chang, chắp chắp từng từng cột. Chang 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 chang, chăm chăm chang chang chang, chang 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 chang, chắp chắp từng từng cột.
A well-trained dog will make no attempt to share your lunch. He will just make you feel so guilty that you cannot enjoy it.
Cooper, that's not a toy! Cooper! Stop it! Cooper!
Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog, oh, just a happy. My voice and close your eyes, all right? Listen to my words. Don't worry about anything. Don't worry about noise. That's someone opening a pack of crisps or something. Forget it. Right. You no longer need tennis balls in your life, all right? They don't excite you, yeah? You're not going to want to chase them. You're not going to want to fetch them. You're not going to want to chew them. And if you do think you're going to do something else instead, all right? Anything like, I don't know, you're going to give me all of your biscuits and all of your food and let me sleep in your bed. Just no, okay, don't worry, go back to sleep, relax, forget it.
Good evening, sir. My name is Steve. I come from a rough area. I used to be addicted to crack, but now I'm off and trying to stay clean. That is why I'm selling magazine subscriptions.
No.